This is room 1514 at the Marriott Warehouse District, New Orleans. This is a perfect hotel to stay. You're close to everything, but you're not too close. You will not be disturbed as you sleep here, especially if you're on the 15th floor. It's a great shower. There's actually a little footrest if you need to shave your legs. I've never seen that before in a hotel, and that's something. I stay in hotels constantly, and I'm rarely surprised, but that was a nice addition. This room does not have any carpeting, which I also really liked. A bare, clean floor just feels clean. It's nice. Bed has great power options. There's plenty of power options here at the desk. Bed was comfortable. This desk lamp was actually amazing. It was great. I love that desk lamp. I'd buy it. That couch is exactly what you think. This room has a terrible view. However, if you wanted to sleep in, it fully supports that. You're close to Emerald's, Mother's, plenty of other local restaurants. You're a little bit of a walk from the French Quarter, but that might be a good thing.